up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Me and my fro. What's good? My name is Kiva. Hey, if you're new to my channel, hit the subscribe button and stay on over here and kick it with your girl. So I was on lunch, y'all, and I was watching someone's video, and it made me remember that I wanted to talk about this. Y'all, protect y'all budget and space. You know, and over here, it's budgeting, it's grocery hauls, because you talk about how much you spent on your groceries. People talk about what they got. We do recipes sometime. We talk about stocks. It's a lot of many branches to the tree of budgeting. Okay, people that do side gigs, how they envelope stuff their money from that. It encompasses a lot with this particular genre over here. In this sector that I call it, okay? I'm watching a video of a Social Security disability type budget. The person was doing a grocery haul of what they always do a grocery haul of what they get from food banks, churches, and things like that, the free food. They do a haul on how much each item is. Not that they spent it, but they just like to see how much food they got and what they saved because they got the free food. Then they started deducing the unedible food out of the free food, because sometimes the thrift stores do give you moldy bread. A little bit of mold, they say you can cut off. The fruit that's about to go bad, that you got to eat it right there and right now. Okay. The dented cans, which you really shouldn't, I don't think you should use dented cans, right? I don't. The swollen cans, the expired food, so they start deducting that. But I done watched some more stuff. I would have to go all the way down to my history to find that, because I had a playlist running. But nonetheless, you can type in like Social Security food haul, I believe, things like that. And I don't even know how I even ran across that video. Point of it is, I got in their comments, and when I say they were being dragged, called them lazy, you stealing from the system, you able-bodied, if you can hold your phone, or if you can afford a camera to record what you got, you can go to work, calling them ugly, calling them, one lady was called fat. She had her child there when she was doing the grocery haul. It was like, your fat ass kid could go on a diet, y'all, to save some more money. Honey, listen, sirs, ma'ams, who's watching, the block button is there. It's there. It loves you. It wants, that's the one thing that wants you to use it. It wants to be used. Okay? Touch all on it, click all on it, and do it without shame, without hesitation, without feeling bad, without second guessing your space. Social media is what it is. It's a public platform. Even when you set your settings to private, it's still a public platform, because anybody that you've allowed on your private page, what can we do? Screenshot, screen record. So private is never private online, right? Get it? I got it. But I can block the fuck out of you if I want to, and make you have to earn, you know, you got to really want to come back and see your girl. You got to make a whole new page. You got to create an email. You know, you got to come on back and find me. And if you want me that bad and you're going to keep coming, and I'm going to keep blocking. It's no way in the hell we should be subjected to the bullshit that I've seen in these comments from someone who don't know us. I have not been dragged in the comments. I've had some people say some slick shit with that borderline tone, or talking shit, but you didn't really talk shit. It can be taken anyway. But I've never had no one call me dumb, stupid, you mismanaging your money. Advice is advice. I've gotten advice. I've given advice. I've learned. Someone has learned from me. Someone has taken an idea from me and incorporated with them. I've taken an idea from someone. I've enjoyed myself being over in this sector. It's like I said, there's so many branches to this sector. Grocery hauls, budgeting, stocks. But even one of my favorites is the attorney. I believe she's an attorney, Miss Barlow. She's a high income budgeter. I've never seen that. And a couple of others are out here with $10,000, $12,000 monthly incomes and things like that. I enjoy watching high income earners who budget their money. Goals. You know, the average income, $2,700, $3,000, $24,000, $4,000, you know, and so forth, $1,300, $1,200. It's such a range. No income, strictly unemployment without the boost. Than when it was with the boost. You know, it's a lot over here to see. The elderly that don't necessarily do a budget, but they still show you how they spend their money, how they survive off of $888 Social Security. Okay? I enjoy that. I think being over here in this sector is wonderful. You learn and you see how other people live and how they make it. Whether some are lying or whether some they're telling the truth, I take you at your word. Okay, that's all that's all I can do is take you at your word. I don't be like, I think she lying. I think he lying. I'm not trying to be deep in your pockets, but the outright disrespect, calling people kids ugly, calling the content creator fat or dumb, trying to force your ideas or your budgeting method, telling people Dave Ramsey is the best and you stupid if you don't use Dave Ramsey. And I'm just using him as an example. No, I have not saw that in the comments, but you get the point I'm trying to make. Your income is not their income. If you choose to put your budget up here and divulge what you make, a lot of people estimate too. So some people do exact numbers and they like, it is what it is. These are my numbers. I'm sharing them with you and they don't care. Some people care. So they say if I make $2,700, they round up to $3,000. And at the end of the day, we don't know unless I know you personally and you've told me your numbers, but is it that deep? But it was really sad to see people suffering through being degraded. You can't degrade me on social media. Not on my platform. You can't. Now you can go, what is happening here with this fro? Do fix it, Jesus. It's just a little piece that's just so disrespectful. I'm back on track. You gotta screenshot it, record. You gotta do whatever you gotta do. Take it over there to your channel. Cause for me and my house, saith the budgeting Lord, you a blocked ass bitch. That goes for man or woman. Your kids is trolls too. Them hoes gotta go too. Get your kids off social media and grown folk conversation. Because some of y'all are just plain rude and nasty. Unnecessarily nasty. Watching elderly people get dragged. I'm like, why? I don't get it. So all I want to say is protect your peace. Protect your budgeting piece. Protect anything you do on social media. But I'm talking because I've seen it in the budgeting side of the community. Y'all catching all this street raggedy bums. Let me wrap this up for y'all be dizzy. But don't be afraid and worry about losing a friendship of anyone online or losing a subscriber. Because a lot of these people aren't even subscribed. Or they're subscribed to watch you fail. Trolls subscribe to channels to keep up with fucking with you. But you don't have to let them stay. That's it for my video, y'all. It was just disheartening because it's like you don't have to be there. You don't have to be on their channel, but I get it. We go where we want to go. But you're going to control your mouth on mine, on all my channels. Anywhere I post, you're going to control your mouth. You can disagree with me. I welcome disagreements when it's a healthy disagreement, a healthy back and forth. You might say something that we literally just don't agree with. You might say, I think you should start, example, I'm just going to throw something in the air. Kiva, start saving $1,000 a month by taking on 4 extra jobs. I believe you can do it, and this is how you tell me how. You write it all out. You're like, see, you could do it this way. And I say, no, I can't. You know, I'm gonna do it this way. I don't want to. It'll be hard, blah blah blah. And you say, well, but here, look right here. This is that. And I said, I see what you're saying, but no, I'm a pass. Okay. Am I looking like I don't know how to drive? I am. Whatever. A healthy dialogue and knowing when to say, okay. It's nothing wrong with that. I welcome good, healthy dialogue, but you will not talk crazy to me. I don't know how some of y'all do it. Y'all got some patience on y'all. But the block button, it says remove user from, hide user from channel. Also, go into your YouTube settings. In the settings, it's an actual spot where you can type in trigger words that people say and they can't. Soon as they say it, it go to spam. And sometimes your word, it be so locked. Regular comments get over there. I check my spam box all the time. I be like, damn, why did I get spam? I have nigger, nigga, white power, Trump, Trump power, nigger monkey, black ass, black monkey, nigger bitch, black ass, black whore, any racial slur, because I've heard them all. Okay, I probably have a 50 list number wording. You know, bitch. Now, some words we just cuss, girl, that bitch is crazy. It'll go to spam, but I approve it. That's fine. Y'all know what I'm saying in the conversation. I even have the phrase, you a dumb motherfucker. I do. All the ways you can talk shit is in my spam box. And if it's said, it gets pulled. And if I approve it, because I know the context and what you're saying, cool. That's that on this video. Y'all have a good day. Thanks for stopping back by. I appreciate y'all. Keep doing what y'all doing. Listen, y'all out here jamming. Y'all knocking out student loans. Y'all saving money. You guys are encouraging to people. You guys that do gig work and work. You guys that work full-time as gig workers. You guys that do grocery hauls with the food banks. You are appreciated because it in so many ways it's humbling to see a food bank food haul. To know what someone is going through and how they stand in a line for hours to get a little box of food and really nothing is salvageable. Even though beans and rice might be in it, let's be honest, do you really want to eat beans and rice every day? Will you eat them to survive? Yes. But we're human. We have a palate. It has taste buds. We do like to have a variety of food. So to watch someone whose diet is consisting of always beans and rice, and I'm not talking about because they're vegetarian or vegan, just beans, rice, a can of beets, a half a loaf of bread with a little bit of butter, black coffee because cream is too expensive and they can't afford sugar, so they've forced themselves to drink black coffee because they love coffee, tea, you know, things like that. You forget that sugar and coffee creamery can be a luxury for some. I'm gonna stop talking because it gets me upset. It was upsetting to look in these comments. But I highly encourage you all to keep your space safe. Block the fuck out of bitches, men or women. Don't have your space. You shouldn't log into your social media and be upset on your space. This me. This here, that's me. And I like it to look a certain way and keep me in a certain mind state. Y'all subscribe to my channel. The button will be somewhere over here. If you're new to my channel, if you've been around for the long haul, I appreciate you and thank you for always coming back and checking out my video. You guys stay safe out there. Have a good rest of the day. And I'm out. Bye.